Hey everybody, it's Tracy Lynn. Welcome back to the Tracy Lynn Movement channel. Today we're going to be breaking down a pretty advanced transition, how to go from wide-legged fold into your chest-bound shoulder stand. So in order to do this position and transition, you should be able to comfortably interlace your hands behind you, find full extension through your arms, and be able to go pretty wide into your straddle or standing straddle position. So to start this position, I'm going to move myself towards the back edge of my mat in a wide format. That way my shoulders have somewhere soft to land. I'm pretty wide here, but I might have to actually go wider in order to do the transition. We'll see how my shoulders feel. So hands come behind, chest expansion grip. We'll lift our chest and then hinge forward. Now, if you're able to do this position and get your head onto the floor, that's a good sign. That means you can probably proceed. Start to tuck your chin towards your chest so that the back of your head is on the floor. Now I'm going to start to lean my weight forward into my toes, and I'm going to land on my shoulders. Now from there, your feet can just lift up and stay wide, or come together and work into an extension, right? A tuck position, bringing your knees towards your eyes or your third eye center. To get out, you can roll your spine to the floor or come back into your extension. I like to release my hands from here, pick one arm, and roll out, bringing my hands down onto the floor. That's how you do your transition, working from wide-legged fold into shoulder stand.